Welcome to Ben Num Design.
Introduction to Computer. Types of computers. Part 3. Types of computers. There are 5 basic types of computers. Supercomputer, macrocomputer, mobile computers, laptop, PC, mobile devices, tablet. Supercomputers are the fastest computers, and because of their speed and memory, are capable of performing operations that would not be practical for PCs or mainframes. Mainframe computers. Mainframes are computers where all the processing is done centrally, and the user terminals are called dumb terminals since they only input and output, and do not process. Mainframes are computers used mainly by large organizations for critical applications, typically bulk data processing such as census. Examples: banks and airlines. Examples: PTC, PIA, banks, and other organizations in Pakistan use mainframe computers. Microcomputers. PC is an abbreviation for a personal computer. It is also known as a microcomputer. Its physical characteristics and low cost are appealing and useful for its users. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, home computers were developed for household use, offering some personal productivity, programming and games, while somewhat larger and more expensive systems, although still low cost compared with mini computers and mainframes, were aimed for office and small business use. Examples: HP, Dell, IBM, and Apple Macintosh. Mobile computers. A portable computer is a small personal computer designed for mobile use. A portable computer integrates all of the typical components of a desktop computer, including a display, a keyboard, a pointing device, a touchpad, also known as a trackpad, or a pointing stick, and a battery into a single portable unit. Example: laptop computers. Mobile devices. Mobile device is a computing device that can set in hand easily. It has less computing power than personal computers. Example: book reader, digital camera, and smartphones. Embedded computers. An embedded computer is a small and less computing power device that can be fixed as a component in any product. Example: DVD player, digital TV, and photocopy machine. Thank you for watching.